Howdy y'all, we're the Colbys, but y'all can call us the Uncharted Texans. Van Horn was named after Major Jefferson Van Horn, but the town left off the E in his name. Van Horn is completely surrounded by mountains, with the Carrizo and Beech Mountains to the west, the Eagle Mountains to the southwest, the Van Horn and Wiley Mountains to the south, and the Baylor Mountain Range to the north. Van Horn has spectacular views.
Good morning, y'all. Today we are in Van Horn, Texas. You can see behind me the Clark Hotel Museum. So we're gonna go check that out and see what it's all about.
Once we were inside the museum, we were greeted by the curator and offered a private tour.
I'm Patricia Golden. I'm curator of the Clark Hotel Historical Museum. The first section of the Clark Hotel Historical Hotel is the saloon. This is 1901 right here. What is now the back was the front. We were here for the train. The train station was over on the left, and all I have is this picture here. It's torn down now. And that street out there was the Bankhead Highway, Highway 80 at the time. So this right here shows the Bankhead Highway went from Washington, D.C. to San Diego, California. I'm from San Diego, so I've been on that a lot.
You said this was built in 1913?
Yeah.
Out of this?
Yeah, red Precambrian sandstone, extremely heavy. South of here is Valentine. You probably drove through it.
Yep.
Valentine's about 35 miles south, and somewhere in the vicinity of that town was a 6-point earthquake, and therefore the earthquake trauma was as far as here. This building's still standing, but it jostled that enough that eventually they tore it down. Okay. The Clarks were on this west side. That's 2 stoves put up. That stove is 1905.
Ooh, this would definitely heat up the entire place.
And believe me, it gets cold in here. Let's turn into the lobby. This book that I have here is 1926, so by the mid-20s. So the second section that was built was to the right, and it was a pool hall. Way later, it was things like a piano store or a gift shop. The third giant section over to the east was the post office, which ran all the way through the building, front and back.
See them taking off from over that mountain?
Yeah, well, I can't get up on the balcony, I can see it. They're families. These are just families.
This is the family histories.
The Clark Hotel Historical Museum. Here in Van Horn, Texas, Culberson County. Come visit.
The Hotel El Capitan was part of the Gateway Hotel chain built in 1930, designed by architect Henry Trost and constructed by the McKee Company of El Paso, Texas. It is the sister hotel to the Hotel Posado of Marfa. You can check out the Hotel Posado in our Exploring Marfa, Texas video. The Hotel El Capitan is one of the 5 Gateway hotels. The other 3 were located in Lordsburg and Carlsbad, New Mexico, as well as downtown El Paso, Texas. Hotel El Capitan was in operation until the late 1960s. Then in 1973, it was converted into the Van Horn State Bank. In 2007, Lana and Joe Duncan of Fort Davis, Texas, bought the building and restored it. We are told Amazon owner Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin crew frequents the hotel restaurant. This is the space shuttle you can rent a ride on to go to outer space. At the Vault Mercantile, you can even purchase Blue Origin souvenirs. Van Horn Cemetery was established when Baby Beach, an infant child of James and Nancy Beach, died only 20 days after birth on September 15, 1888. The first adult buried in the cemetery was local rancher Sanders Gaines, after reportedly suggesting the motto, "This town is so healthy, we had to shoot a man to start a cemetery." He was then shot and killed by his brother-in-law during an argument over a watering hole on his 52nd birthday, June 30th, 1892. How's that for irony? We sure enjoyed taking a look at Van Horn, Texas with y'all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. We will be back very soon with more adventures to share on Mondays and Wednesdays. Till next time, y'all. Come back now, you hear?